Alright guys, hello and welcome to Jaco. Be checking out Jaco here. It's May 2023. Jaco is a very popular tourist destination here in Costa Rica. You may find yourself thinking about traveling here for your trip. If this is your first time joining, be sure to subscribe right here on YouTube. Like this video, leave us a comment and share these videos if you know somebody who's thinking about coming here to Costa Rica. So right now we're just in the middle of Jaco. The main road here, it goes up to the highway, the Pacific Highway that runs north and south along the Pacific coast. We just ate right over here at Pizza Pata. Every time I'm in Jaco, I check out Pizza Pata. Right over there. They never miss. Pizza Pata never misses. So we are in the rainy season, it seems here almost. Look at the sky. In Guanacaste, it's very dry right now. Jaco, very damp, overcast. You can see the lush jungles out behind. You can see all the clouds and everything off in the distance there. And Jaco has tons and tons of shops and restaurants to enjoy. Lots of souvenir shops. And it's always busy here in Jaco, although the high season is over and the low season is kind of here. This is low season. So still lots of people walking around, lots of activity, lots of cars. And Jaco is known for its nightlife. So if you're into nightlife, you're probably going to want to visit Jaco. Now, the situation here in Jaco is that this is the main strip we're looking at right here. This is where the bulk of your restaurants and shops will be. There's hotels down on this road. Okay. There's Banco Nacional. There's Icono department store right here. Now if you go down further this way along the beach, we're going to walk to the beach right now. But as you go further south, we're heading south right now, the beach starts getting a little bit more easy to swim. That's where a lot of beginner surf lessons will be. But here in the middle of the beach, it's a bit more advanced swimming and a bit more advanced surfing. So keep that in mind if you're booking accommodations. If you are a beginner surfer, it's probably better to be down on the south end for your accommodations. But if you've stayed in Jaco, leave us a comment. Let us know how it was when you stayed here. There's Mas Paramenos, big supermarket. Big supermarket right there in the middle of Jaco. And that's a Walmart brand supermarket as well, so you can expect to find a lot of the brand name stuff in there, all the food. But it's nice, it's nice. The air here is damp. It's refreshing coming from the area of Liberia. Let's head down to the beach and see what's going on down there. Right here there's a taco joint. They're really good. This taco joint is fantastic. When they're open. When they're open. So getting to Jaco, you're probably going to come in through the San Jose airport. And you're no less than an hour and a half from San Jose airport. Probably in the best driving conditions, you're an hour and a half. Probably in average driving conditions a bit longer. Getting out of San Jose is often busy. But then once you're here, it's a pretty cool place to stay for at least part of your vacation. You can see there's lots of ocean view accommodations here. And it's pretty good because the surfing here isn't like super advanced. So you can practice surfing, you can get surf lessons, but it's not some really crazy water like you'll find in some other beaches. Now as you come here to the beach, there's a whole bunch of these roads that come down from the main strip, and each one will have different shops, different restaurants, different offerings. There's one that has a hotel and co-working space and a bunch of little boutique shops attached to it. It's pretty cool. The water looks refreshing here. Looks good. So I think this is new here. I haven't seen this one before. Cool. Maybe accommodations or a restaurant or something. And here is the beach at Jaco. Nice. So I can see people out there swimming, bodyboarding over here, so that's pretty cool. And not many people down on the beach. I think it just rained recently, so everybody's probably trying to figure out what the conditions will be like this afternoon. So you have it, Jaco Beach. So over on this end here, there's the national highway that'll take you further south. Over on this mountain here, there's a mirador that you can actually climb up. There's a hiking trail up there. You can go and get an awesome view. I'll zoom in right where it is. It gives you a great view of Jaco. Then down at the south end of the beach, there's a bunch of accommodations you can select, and the waves are less choppy down there. And then right along here, so right in here, you'll be in the thick of it, right in the center of Jaco. And then as you go further on to the north end of the beach, it's a bit further away from the main strip. There's less restaurants, less stuff to do. Still easily within walking distance, and there's hotels down there and big high-rise accommodations. And there's actually some pretty cool beaches. If you cross the estuary right at the north end of the beach, there's a little secluded beach down there you can check out. Or you could just sit right here on the beach in Jaco, go swimming, relaxing during your vacation here in Costa Rica. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Once again, subscribe to the channel right here on YouTube. Like this video, leave us a comment, and share this video with somebody who's coming to Costa Rica for vacation. Thanks for watching.